Nice not tell her go on with you and her husband.
You know, she never go there none at all.
What? Why?
Him say, but I have work, so she never come.
Gladstone, come on, man. The whole weekend? So the whole weekend him have work?
No, but I want to know too.
You can't tell me nothing, Charles have a man. Or, for not that, him and Paul to hide under the look or something.
Well, based on what him a tell her, him feel away because of me pay for everything.
Him have a point. Him have a big dirty point there, so because anybody would have feel away. Me tell you this. You're trying to do something like that again. Right?
To be honest, I never even expect it to go that way.
Gladstone, you know she say nice like you?
Wait, what? Like me? No. But this feel says she impressed to me preach good.
You're naive, buddy, no? Everybody will come at church and say nice like you. Everybody. Even her husband too. They don't notice that nice only talk to me when me stand up and they was by you there.
No, I never noticed, you know.
Lord God help you. Listen to me. You see, if nice I did make out a razor or would I stick something there? Or knife? Would have cut in a too long time. The amount of time nice look for me, she cut her eye. Every time nice see me, nice cut her eye.
Babes, you know what I have nothing to worry about, right?
I know that. Nice don't worry me. But you see, if you start move some type of way around her now, then there's a problem there.
Wait, why you gonna beat me at the church?
No. I wouldn't do that. Remember say I come home today, you know. So I won't go out with no excitement at church. But nice, should I get a visit from a friend of mine? God matter. I joke me and make Gladstone.
Oh, you're frightening me.
You should have seen your face.
Oh, babe, forgot to tell you, we'll find a nice little space where we can operate a church from. You know, a nice little theater space.
That's so good. No, you're not have to move from church to church for your preach.
Yeah, babe. Must lease it for a 2-year period. After that, we can just decide what we're going to do.
Oh, the church mother woman I meet it.
Jay, you have to understand, she's a very busy woman, right? She have a whole heap of project to run, plus she work with some underprivileged females.
Yeah, so what should do with them?
Well, she just said them out like find jobs overseas, homes, you know, stuff like that. You know, as a matter of fact, babe, I suggest you for run the community program. And you think it's a good idea?
So how would that work now?
Well, she sponsor a few programs where teach the girl them like for cook, you know, dancing, you know, just normal lifestyle skills. So what you would do is that you would help to recruit the girls, right? And get them out of the program and thing.
That sound like me, yes?
Exactly, babe. That might tell you. It's like you know, we grow up in the inner city and thing. You know, we go through a rough life and all them things there. You can see them some motivational talk.
But I really love that Gladstone. Because if me can't help a female if not make the same mistake when me make, Jesus. Bingo.
And just one female I can help, Jay. You're going to help hundreds.
No, you make me excited for meet Marcel. No, like me can't wait. You feel you like me?
But sure she will like you. Not even like, but love you. And she's dying to see you too.
You know I love you?
Love you too, babe.
Aww. Gladstone, stop now! Be yourself.